I think that one looks like a dinosaur. Well, hey guys, so Albert Einstein is quoted with saying that imagination is more important than knowledge. But it's kind of interesting that in the world we live in, we tend to frown upon, kids getting creative or imaginative with things in education. But really, the point that I want to make today is that it's imagination that solves problems. It's imagination that invents things. It's imagination that look at a cloud and think it looks like a dinosaur. Not so sure that's always imagination, but either way, how are you going to facilitate an imagination classroom? Think about that. How have you prioritized maybe your imagination? Have you taken time to just sit back and think about the problems that are around you, the things that are around you? Think about, outside of the box, but sometimes maybe what are the boundaries of the box? How can we find the edges of the way things are and imagine them to be a little bit different so that we can make a change? We know from G.I. Joe.
Don't avoid a problem, meet it,
And beat it. Now I know.
and knowing is half the battle.
Yo, Joe. But the other half of the battle is doing something with it. And to be able to do something with the knowledge that you have means you have to have an imagination. You have to be able to look at the world that is and see a different possibility and then make a change with what you know. And then along the way, you're going to learn other things. So I would submit to you that you need to take some time today to daydream. Get out and look up at the clouds. Ooh, that one looks like a ball of cotton. Not very imaginative, I know. Oh well. Ooh, a marshmallow. I'm starting a fire. Let's have s'mores.